Hello, welcome to Hair Wash Friday with PlatonicRose Regiment, where I help you become masters of your own beauty and your babies as well. Today, we're going to be making some green peppermint tea rinse to add strength to your hair and then to also give circulation. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All you need for this mixture is 2 cups of water in your measuring cup, and then you need 1 green tea and then 1 peppermint tea, and then I have my electric kettle. You can choose to use a hot pot, otherwise you can have this in the microwave as well. So I'm just going to begin by pouring that cup of water in my electric kettle, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about green tea while we wait. So green tea is really good in terms of preventing shedding from the hair. So whenever you feel like you're shedding too much hair, definitely turn to green tea rinse. It's really good. And then also, green tea increases hair growth by stimulating hair follicles and then also preventing damage to hair cell. After pouring my water into 2 separate cups, I'm going to put 1 in with the green tea, and then the other one I'm going to add the mint tea to. And so the instructions say that the green tea should only be in the water for 3 minutes and then the mint tea for 5 minutes. And that's what I'm going to do because the green tea have caffeine in it. So now I'm just going to sit back and watch the transformation of the water. I thought that was really awesome. And then also I'm going to talk a little bit about mint tea. So mint tea really stimulate your hair follicles as well as your scalp, which in turn promote hair growth. And so now I'm going to take out my tea bags, and then I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon to it. Cinnamon is really good in terms of just clearing out your scalp and build up, and it also helps stimulate your scalp as well. So I just wanted to add a little bit of that, not too much because I'm going to be using this mixture on my daughter. So now after I'm done with that, I'm going to then move on to taking out the tea bag from my mint tea, which have been sitting around for 5 minutes, and I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to move on to applying the mixture. To avoid a long day hair routine, I do not section my hair out. I just go ahead and apply the tea rinse to it and then massage the scalp and get ready for the next washing. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. This was fun. Before you go, please make sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you guys next week.